Here is the easiest way to begin your character drawing practice. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to draw characters in a simple and beginner-friendly way. For more tips on coloring, textures, and picking the right colors, check out my Patreon or YouTube membership. Now, let's get started. I start by creating a new canvas, which is 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. I will tap on Brush tool, insert a photo, and I will choose my photo that I'm using as a reference. I will use the selection tool to resize the reference, as you see. And now I'll lower the layer opacity and create a new layer above the reference layer, choosing the color that I will use for sketching and my sleek ink brush. Now I'll start tracing the line or the character. As you see, I'll keep the lines simple and I will try just to make my character recognizable. As you see, I'm not drawing exactly what's inside the photo. I'm just trying to make a recognizable character. Here I'm drawing the hair by adding those simple lines around the face. And now I will start drawing the hair from both sides like this. Now I will draw a simple braid by drawing those curved lines, and I will add simple details inside the braid. I'll keep drawing the character by adding the neck. Here I'm adding clips, and now I will add those details for the hair. I'll complete drawing my character by drawing the shoulders. As you see, I'm drawing very basic and simple shapes. Here I'm drawing the arms, and I'm just following the lines. Here I'll start drawing the fingers, and as you see, I'm just tracing over the main reference, but I'm keeping the lines curved. I will not draw the details, but I just want to draw simple shapes, as you see. Now I'll draw the bunny by drawing this circle for the head, adding two cute eyes, the nose and mouth, and here I will add two ears. Now I'm done drawing the main sketch. I'll just add a few details for the hair, and I will move to the next step, which is refining the sketch. Now I'll just check how my first sketch looks like. Here I will increase the opacity of the reference to 100 and place it here just to use it as a reference. I will resize my sketch line just like this, and now I will create a new layer above the first sketch layer, lower the opacity of my sketch, and I will choose the sleek ink brush to start refining the sketch line. Before I start doing this, I will use the selection tool to adjust a few shapes here. For example, I will just resize the face here to make it wider, and I will do the same as well for the neck, shoulders, and this part of the body. I will select it and just replace it to be stick to the head. Now I will complete drawing the bunny and the arms just like this. And here is my sketch is ready to be refining. Now I will start drawing fine clear lines above the main sketch, as you see. In this step I will try to make my character clear and clean as much as I can. So I can add details, I can, for example, erase other details just to keep the final sketch clean. Now my sketch is ready for the next step, which is coloring. If you would like to know more about how I pick up my colors, how I color and add textures, please join my Patreon or my YouTube membership. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye!